core system library is failing because of the Windows Update Provisioning Service DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. Before we get into the technical process for Windows Update Provisioning Service, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This is the Windows Update Provisioning Service, the Windows Update Proxy stub library. It manages the communication between localized update agents and the primary Windows Update service. It is essential for the background download of system security patches. If this file is missing, the Windows Update settings page will hang or return 0x802440017 errors, indicating a broken update pipeline. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Wups is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scannow to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Windows Update Provisioning Service file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM //cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. It is important to avoid manual installation of Windows Update Provisioning Service DLL if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. The link in the description references a professional diagnostic scan resource associated with Windows Update Provisioning Service and PC Health. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Windows Update Provisioning Service, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.